Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2010 Honda CRV, stock number 6505. This ran from the 3rd 2010 to the 10th 2012. It has a K24 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a 5-speed automatic transmission. This is a K24 2.4 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. Left front door mirror, left rear 17-inch factory aluminium mag tyre, left rear tail light, rear tailgate no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 17-inch factory aluminium mag tyre, right rear door 3 dents, right front door 4 dents, right front door mirror, right front guard no dents, right front 17-inch factory aluminium mag tyre, right front door card, right front master switch, automatic gear shifter, heater AC controls, factory single stack stereo, left front sun visor, interior mirror, front courtesy light, right front sun visor, factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel, instrument cluster,